Here's a comprehensive summary of The Power Law, Venture Capital and the Making of the New Future by Sebastian Mallaby. Introduction. The Power Law, Venture Capital and the Making of the New Future by Sebastian Mallaby is an in-depth exploration of the venture capital VC industry, its history, key players, and its profound impact on innovation and the global economy. Mallaby, an acclaimed journalist and author, delves into how venture capital has fueled the rise of some of the most transformative companies and technologies of the modern era. The book provides insights into the mechanics of VC, the personalities that drive it, and the economic principles that underpin its success. Chapter 1: The Genesis of Venture Capital. Venture capital traces its roots to post-World War II America, where government funding for research and development began to catalyze private investment in technology. Georges Doriot, often considered the father of venture capital, played a pivotal role in the industry's early days. His firm, American Research and Development Corporation (ARDC), was instrumental in funding early tech startups, including Digital Equipment Corporation, one of the first major successes of the VC industry. Chapter 2: The Rise of Silicon Valley. The book explores the emergence of Silicon Valley as the epicenter of venture capital and innovation. Key figures like Arthur Rock, who funded Fairchild Semiconductor, and the traitorous Eight, who founded companies that would become the foundation of Silicon Valley, are highlighted. The region's unique culture of risk-taking, collaboration, and competition created an environment where venture capital could thrive. Chapter 3: The Mechanics of Venture Capital. Mallaby delves into the mechanics of venture capital, explaining how VCs raise funds from limited partners, LPs, such as pension funds and endowments, and then invest in high-risk, high-reward startups. The structure of VC firms, the importance of equity stakes, and the concept of the power law, where a few successful investments generate the majority of returns, are crucial to understanding the industry's dynamics. Chapter 4: The Power Law in Action. The power law principle, which states that the majority of returns come from a small number of investments, is a central theme in the book. Mallaby uses examples like Google, Facebook, and Amazon to illustrate how a single successful investment can overshadow numerous failures. This high-risk, high-reward model differentiates venture capital from other forms of investment. Chapter 5: The Role of the Venture Capitalist. Venture capitalists are more than just financiers, they are mentors, advisors, and connectors. The book profiles some of the most influential VCs, such as John Doerr of Kleiner Perkins and Michael Moritz of Sequoia Capital, highlighting their strategies, philosophies, and the impact they have had on their portfolio companies. The personal qualities and decision-making processes of successful VCs are examined in detail. Chapter 6: The Entrepreneur's Perspective. Mallaby provides insights into the relationship between entrepreneurs and venture capitalists. This symbiotic relationship is characterized by mutual dependence, trust, and sometimes tension. Successful entrepreneurs like Steve Jobs, Jeff Bezos, and Elon Musk benefited immensely from VC funding, but they also had to navigate the expectations and demands of their investors. Chapter 7: The Globalization of Venture Capital. Venture capital has expanded beyond Silicon Valley to become a global phenomenon. The book explores the rise of VC in regions like China, India, and Europe, examining how local cultural, economic, and regulatory environments shape the industry. Notable international successes, such as Alibaba and Tencent, are discussed, along with the challenges and opportunities of global VC investment. Chapter 8: The Impact of Venture Capital on Innovation. Venture capital has been a driving force behind some of the most significant technological advancements of the past few decades. The book examines how VC funding has enabled breakthroughs in fields such as biotechnology, clean energy, and artificial intelligence. The role of VC in fostering innovation and driving economic growth is a key theme. Chapter 9: The Dark Side of Venture Capital. While venture capital has many success stories, it also has a darker side. The book discusses the potential downsides of VC, including the pressure on startups to achieve rapid growth, which can lead to unethical behavior or financial instability. The collapse of high-profile startups like Theranos serves as a cautionary tale about the risks and potential pitfalls of the VC model. Chapter 10: The Future of Venture Capital. Mallaby looks ahead to the future of venture capital, considering how the industry might evolve in response to changing economic conditions, technological advancements, and societal shifts. The book discusses the potential impact of new funding models, such as crowdfunding and decentralized finance, on the traditional VC landscape. Conclusion. The Power Law, Venture Capital and the Making of the New Future provides a comprehensive and insightful overview of the venture capital industry. Mallaby's exploration of the history, mechanics, and impact of VC offers readers a deep understanding of how venture capital has shaped the modern economy and continues to drive innovation. The book highlights the unique dynamics of the industry, the personalities that have shaped it, and the economic principles that underpin its success. Key themes and takeaways. 1. The genesis and evolution of venture capital. Understanding the origins of VC and its evolution over time is crucial to appreciating its current role in the economy. Key historical figures and milestones are essential to this narrative. 2. The Power Law Principle. The concept that a small number of investments generate the majority of returns is fundamental to venture capital. This principle drives the high-risk, high-reward nature of the industry. 3. The role of venture capitalists. VCs are not just financiers, they are strategic partners who provide valuable mentorship, advice, and connections to startups. The personal qualities and decision-making processes of successful VCs are critical to their success. 4. The symbiotic relationship between entrepreneurs and VCs. The dynamic between entrepreneurs and VCs is characterized by mutual dependence and trust, but also by tension and conflict. Successful entrepreneurs must navigate this relationship carefully. 5. The globalization of venture capital. VC is no longer confined to Silicon Valley, it has become a global phenomenon. Understanding the unique challenges and opportunities of international VC is essential for future success. 6. The impact of VC on innovation. Venture capital has been a driving force behind significant technological advancements and economic growth. VC funding enables breakthroughs in various fields and fosters innovation. 7. The dark side of venture capital. The high-pressure environment of VC can lead to ethical lapses and financial instability. The collapse of high-profile startups serves as a cautionary tale about the risks of the VC model. 8. The future of venture capital. The industry is constantly evolving, and new funding models and technological advancements will shape its future. Understanding these trends is crucial for staying ahead in the VC landscape. Final thoughts. The Power Law, Venture Capital and the Making of the New Future by Sebastian Mallaby is an essential read for anyone interested in understanding the venture capital industry. The book provides a thorough and engaging exploration of the history, mechanics, and impact of VC, offering valuable insights into the personalities, strategies, and economic principles that drive the industry. Whether you are an entrepreneur, investor, or simply curious about the world of venture capital, this book offers a comprehensive and thought-provoking overview of one of the most dynamic and influential sectors of the modern economy. This summary aims to capture the essence and key points of Sebastian Mallaby's The Power Law, Venture Capital and the Making of the New Future, providing a broad overview of the book's content and insights.